can you? So this is a boat that came in that it wasn't cooling and had some other stuff going on with it. Most of the fluid had drained out into the boot because this seal was bad and there was water in there. But the impeller was just changed and it's still overheating, and we hadn't popped the top off. But the interesting thing is, look at this little washer right here. It's supposed to be flat, so someone's forced that down because they didn't have it aligned. Where's the shift part? Because I guess they didn't have that lined up, and so it's bent and almost broken. And when that was supposedly lined up, it wasn't, and so that pushed that down, which is amazing to me. It shifted. It wouldn't shift. This came out with the lower unit, which that should still been stuck up, but it's stuck in there. So that's not a good thing, and we're going to show what the impeller looks like since it wasn't cooling. So that's his new impeller. And I remember. He said the other impeller was missing blades and he never found them. I think we did. Yeah, they are right there. Or found something.
Let's see, melted there.
Yeah. So all these new parts he just put on, we're gonna do it a little differently, the correct way instead of YouTube way.